Distinguished most ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency, beautiful people. My name is Seriman, Chief of Staff, JPAC Okwanyon, and my wonderful friend here, colleague,
Mr. Governor Ezioku.
And other one in our midst here is no other person that Onyon Mama. The face has been trending on social media, and I want to ask him a vital question. Sir, what is your name?
My name is Johnathan Negedu.
Johnathan
Negedu. Yeah.
From where?
I'm from Kogi State.
From Kogi State. Where in Kogi State?
Akpa local government.
Akpa local government. Yeah. Okay. Are you living in Lagos currently?
Yeah, I'm based in Lagos here now.
Where do you live? In
Number 8 Mutatu Street.
No, they rush me. Cool down. Cool down. Make the devil say they rush you. Number 8 what?
Number 8 Mutiatu Street, Ikotu, Egbe.
Mutiatu.
Yeah.
Is it before
after synagogue?
After synagogue.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you reach the market gate, the next street there, you see Mutiatu.
Okay. So please, sir, we want to interview you on the current video on internet. Hope you don't mind.
I don't mind.
Anybody pressurizing you?
Nobody.
Anybody kind of under duress?
No.
I am pleading to you so that it will not be a problem tomorrow. Yeah. I am asking you again. Do you permit us to interview you properly?
Yeah, really.
Thank you. Governor Zoku, please. Over to you.
All right, sir. I made a post very few hours ago that I would like to see you, meet you in person, so that we can ask you very few questions.
Yeah.
Regarding to the trending news on the internet, what bloggers are carrying about. So I decided I was going to hear from you one-on-one. You are the man who came to Zion Ministries to submit charms.
Yeah.
Those things, were they true or real charms?
They are true charms.
Okay. Were you a native doctor, or are you were once a native doctor?
Yeah, I'm a herbalist practitioner.
Okay. Were you once a pastor also?
I'm destined to be.
You're destined
I have
to
a
be.
calling towards that.
Who told you that you have a call?
About men of God. About 4 men of God told me. Even a brother yesterday again, in my yard, also told me yesterday again that I'm destined. I'm supposed to be a man of God. I have a calling.
Okay. Since you have a calling, why didn't you start your own church somewhere? Or was it the same calling that led you to go about different churches to give testimonies? Because that's what they're saying on the internet.
No, it's not the same calling that led me on other churches to give testimony. I didn't go to other churches to give testimony or to be pitied for. I go to other testimony because what I'm going through in life, I want an end to it.
And you believe that the church will be the best way for you to be free instead of your charms?
Yeah, because the God Almighty is the highest power, is the Father of all spirit.
So how come you know God Almighty and you do not trust in your charms for all this while?
It came to a point that what I'm going through is it can be solved by God Almighty, because the issue become more critical. I can be on thinking like 6 hours like this. In situations, I'll be thinking of my life. Is it how I'm going to end my life? Is it how is it going to be?
Okay. There's a video also, we met it online, where a man of God says that they've been giving you care, they've given you house and different things, but that it is in you go about doing the same thing to every church you see.
You see, they misquoted me. That's not what I mean. I told them that why I go to other churches is because I need prosperity. You understand me? I need prosperity.
Why did
before I'm with my children, with my wife. Now my wife are not with me. So I said I want them to be with me.
So you think that going to church will give you prosperity instead of not you believing in your own charm?
Because it came to a point what those chance is taking is more than what is giving me.
Like what and what your charms takes? Human sacrifice or what?
It take he goat, it take ram. You will say just go and buy that.
Normal thing for normal sacrifice.
It's money. Now much just sell it. One.
Okay, permit me to ask you another question before Governor Joku will pick up. Where did you hear Zion Ministry for the first time?
In Zion Ministry.
Where did you hear that name? No, wait. I want you to be specific, and I want you to be truthful. Where did you hear Zion Ministry for the first time? Is it on Facebook? Wait now. Is it on Facebook or somebody told you about Zion?
It's on Facebook. I saw it on Facebook.
Where is your phone?
My phone, it got broken. The screen is got broken.
When?
You see, you see those.
How long?
Yeah, it getting almost to right from January this year. Right from January.
Your phone got broken.
Fell from my hand. Yeah.
And since that, where are you watching Zion program?
See that I stopped watching. It's not only this one I'm using now.
So who now told you to come to Zion?
You see, I saw it online. I saw it online how God is using man of God mightily. I said, what? So I fell in love immediately with the ministry.
So tell yourself the truth.
Yeah.
The first time you went to Zion, is it not your intention to go to Zion so that you'll be favored by man of God and be given money? Maybe you'll be hearing that man of God do bless people, the poor and the needy. Tell yourself the truth.
Yeah.
Were you there for money, or you are there to receive healing? Or
So my first priority of coming to Zion Works, I says, I want God of Zion to save my soul first. Then after soul, when my soul is saved, I need financial blessings.
you have come. You have just said in your mind that you want financial blessing from Evangelist Ebuka.
Yeah.
That is that
challenge is before me.
The
challenge is before me.
I want to ask you this question, and I need you to be a man.
Yeah.
You are not saying this in favor of anyone at all.
Yeah.
How much did Zion Ministry pay you to come to them?
Come
and perform as a native doctor.
That means you pay me no dime. They didn't pay me any money.
You mean they didn't hire you?
They didn't hire me.
Maybe he didn't understand your question. He said what he means that even if it's not a more that Evangelist will give you money, but members or people that loves him might give you money. Is there anybody from anybody mentioned Zion or a lover of Evangelist give you money for even coming out for the first time to present those your charms or whatever?
No. No, online again. When I was watching online, or when I was watching, see, I used to watch him online. So there's a native doctor also from Anambra State.
Okay.
Yeah, last year October, somebody from Anambra State. He came with this stone, this from my own kingdom. So and he presented it, and man of God delivered him. I said, then this is where I became more motivated.
Okay, delivered him on what again?
I delivered him and favored him again. I said, he gave him 300,000.
Okay, following up.
So he gave him 300,000.
You want your own to be tripled.
I'm talking. If God can do that, I'll be more grateful. If God can do that, I'm more grateful.
Okay, sir. Yeah. So you came.
Yeah.
Because all of us, you know, this your president is my president.
Yeah, really.
The same economy, right?
Yeah.
So you've just answered me straight now.
Yeah.
If you gift my brother a brand new Range Rover and I don't have keke, if I know something I would do to deserve or merit a tipper from you and the Range Rover Sport at the same time, I think I should do it, sir. As an elderly person to me.
If you come again.
For example, okay, as prophet was led to give, or brother Evangelist Ebuka was led to give somebody 300,000 naira.
Yeah.
As you came that day, you had in mind that he was going to give you 1 million naira because your own problem is bigger.
And the economy is rising.
I put it to you that you were the one who went aside and constructed that charm because they all looked new
and fabricated.
You see those charms? Eh? Those charms you are seeing, I didn't keep it open like this, I didn't keep it openly for people to see. And if you even enter my room, you can't see it. There's a particular pot there. Calabash, yeah. And there's a nylon inside. So I will now put it, then cover it.
Okay, what did you put in? What did you use to construct or manufacture those charms? Because you must use something, either you use whatever. What leaves or whatever. What did you put inside?
Those charms you are seeing is transferable from person to me.
Who? For who to who?
For Adams. It's late now.
Who's Adams?
The person is late. The person that gave me is late now.
Where is he from?
It's from my state.
Your village. Can you give us the person's address so that we'll go and verify if there's anybody they call Adams?
Yeah.
Adams.
Brother.
Adams who?
Adams Yakub.
Yeah.
From Amba.
It's late now. I'm telling you guys the truth.
Okay.
So, just like he transferred to me, and when he transferred to me, I pay him what he wants. So I'm now doing it.
Ever since you have been using that charm, what miracle does that charm ever perform in your life? Like giving you money, wealth, making your children rich, making your life very okay. Because the way I'm saying, sorry, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Because the way I'm saying you is like the so-called charms have disappointed you.
Yeah, really. It came to a point, even those charms start tormenting me. That is where I wanted to get rid of it. Okay. Yeah, I started seeing bad effect towards me.
Please, what happened? Why is it that some churches were busy now telecasting your old videos and pictures on the internet? Some of them said you came like this to them and they contributed money. Some of them said they gave you a house and so many things. So maybe the ones they've given to you has expired, and you decided
Renew one.
No, what they see like now they are saying they are giving me money. Those money, see, they are giving me like now. They will give me like 30,000 naira today. Like now, yeah, like in law choosing, they will give me like 30,000 naira today. Before again, now the kingdom come.
What did you do for the Lord choosing before he gave you?
Did you cultivate yam?
It's not the Lord choosing that gave me. Just the member like this who just call me and say, brother, take.
Okay. So how come the man was talking about you?
Yeah. Now, what came to me, the man was talking about me is because he always see me coming to the church there.
Among the whole battalions that
He know everybody.
So only you did the single out.
No, what happened was they called me and I went there.
So when you called you, are you a honorable member? Because the way I'm seeing things, do you know that if I went to choose it now, nobody will notice me because of the kind of crowd there. So how come you are being singled out out of 300,000 people watching there?
What took me down to Sweden also is among those I'm looking for prosperity that time because I'm desperately about this.
Have you ever presented your child to choosing before?
No, I didn't present it. I'm so desperate about prosperity. That's what took me there. So when I came there, it was the one brother that led me there. So I did not see what I'm looking for again.
Let's I forget. How many times do those choosing members gave you money? How can you count?
Like now,
how many times?
Like there's after that godson has stopped paying my house rent. There's another particular woman there again that picked it up. That started
you're coming for that God's hand. I mean,
the godson has stopped choosing.
How many times the members of the church gave you money?
They choosing.
Yes.
The member.
Can you count how many times?
Like the 2 times now, a woman pay my house rent there.
In choosing.
Is
it a year house rent or 2 years house rent?
He paid last year and he paid this year.
In choosing, are you sure?
I'm telling you,
if you are called in the court of law to defend this, can you prove that the member in law choosing paid your house rent?
Yeah.
Just for coming to choosing.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's go back.
Okay, sir.
The woman called me and
prosperity.
She's the one that called me. She
had your number.
She called. I don't know how she got my. I told her, how did you get my number? She said, I should not worry. She called me. Have you paid your house rent? I said, that's what I'm even thinking of now.
Okay, sir. Okay, yeah. I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
Do you believe that somebody can pay you to come to his or her church to come and do what we call arrange? Like, go and bring this charm. Come and act this thing.
Of what profit?
You said of what profit?
No, there's no profit now.
You said you wanted prosperity.
Yes.
Prosperity. It was suit for prosperity that took you to the Lord church.
Yeah, but it's not
took you also to God's time, right?
Relax.
It was also prosperity that took you to Zion Ministry. Did anybody invite you to Zion Ministry to come and perform the same thing?
Nobody invited me to Zion to come and perform the same thing. Now, it came to a point I don't know how to. I'm still talking about it. I don't know how to get rid out of these charms. And because what is giving the charm says more than what is giving me. That's why I'm even fed up.
He didn't get his question.
Nobody.
Wait. Now we are taking this step by step. Nobody pays you. Fine and good.
Yeah.
The first time you came to Zion, you said nobody introduced Zion to you.
Nobody introduced Zion.
And what about the charms? Were you given any opportunity? For how many times were we given opportunity for you to say brother or to how to
more than 4 or 5 times?
Were you given the opportunity?
I was not even given the opportunity.
The first and second and third.
I will come there. I will come there. They say I should go. They say he has not discussed this with daddy yet.
Okay, sir, hold on.
Yeah.
After that day you submitted that charm.
Yeah.
Before and after, Zion Ministries paid you as an actor.
Did they pay you as?
They didn't pay me any down.
Did they?